Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to update you from Wux Pro. But before that, let me remind you that this is not a financial advice. This is for entertainment and review purposes only. So always do your own research before doing anything else because crypto has a risk, guys. Invest what you can afford to lose always. And for that, let's get started. Okay guys, so this is a quick update about this campaign guys on Wux Pro. That let me remind you that this is the one of the best exchange right now that you can use to trade crypto, guys. Okay? But let me remind you that this is not a financial advice. This is for review purposes only. Okay, guys? So deposit USDT to get up to 100% bonus. So just click the join now button here or click the link on my description down below to join on the campaign, guys. We have 14 days and 14 hours left right now. Okay? It started on March 24 and it will end on April 7, guys. So don't hesitate now and grab the 50 to 100% of your deposit as future trading bonus. So this is the current task available on a Wux Pro campaign. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tasks that you can do, guys. This is the task: deposit up to 500 to win a 500 trading bonus too. They also have a additional 500 to win an extra of 500 trading bonus, guys. Okay? They also have an additional 500 again. Okay, from 1.5 and then 2,000 and 3,000, guys. But let me remind you, there's a rule to be followed, guys. Okay, so eligibility, this campaign is open to both new and existing users who registered using a valid referral code. So participation limit limited to 1 attempt per unique user. So unique user, guys. How to join user must click to join now. So this is the join now button, guys. Make sure to log in here and verified your account. And then to enroll in the campaign before making any deposit or transfer, reward structure tiered deposit bonus. The following tiers define the bonus allocation based on net deposit requirements. So the tier 1, so 500, tier 2, 1,000, tier 3, 1,500, tier 4 is 2,000, and tier 5 is 3,000, guys. Okay, so the reward distribution are allocated on first come, first serve basis. So only accounts that meet the referral related eligibility requirements and reward structure requirements will qualify for the rewards. So trading bonus validity, the trading bonus is valid for 21 days, guys. Withdrawing profits during the event period will result in forfeiture of all trading bonuses. So after the trading bonus is credited, any cost incurred futures trading, including but not limited to trading fees, okay, the funding fees, trading losses, and other futures related expenses will be deducted from the user principal real funds first rather than from the trading bonus. And leverage limit will have a trading exclusively with the trading bonus. The maximum leverage is restricted to 5 times only. Also, we have the terms and condition here. The agreement participation in this campaign is subject to these terms and condition along with the other applicable agreements, including the Wux Pro user agreement. So the reward distribution, USDT rewards, will be credited to your USD future account as a future trading bonus. There's a risk warning here. So using Wux Pro service involves significant risk. Cryptocurrency investment, including earnings, are highly speculative and may result in substantial losses. So past performance, real or simulated, does not guarantee future results. So the value of digital currency is volatile, and trading and or holding them carries inherent risk. Before participating, assess whether such activities align with your investment goals, financial situation, and risk tolerance. Wux Pro does not offer investment, legal, or tax advice, guys. So again, this is Crypto Sane, guys. If you have more questions, please subscribe to my channel. Make sure to click the link on the description down below. So again, guys, that's all. Bye-bye.